For 35 years, a family thrived within the heart of a sprawling park, their memories etched into its every corner. Now, a new chapter unfolds. The cherished grounds, meticulously cultivated over time with stables, water features, a pool, and a barbecue haven, become the canvas for their forever home, the vision, a haven that seamlessly embraces the expansive landscape. Spacious living areas and grand halls cater to the vibrant family life, while the design maintains an openness that reflects the countryside's soul. Imagine accessing the outdoors from any vantage point within the house, a constant connection to the ever-present scenery. This project envisions a continuum, where the park flows effortlessly into the home. Privacy is preserved only in essential areas like bathrooms, bedrooms, and the kitchen. Subtle shifts in the degree of enclosure create a nuanced dialogue between inside and outside. From any corner, the breathtaking panoramas and the rhythm of life outdoors unfold, bathed in natural light. A veil of glass further dissolves the divide. The park seems to permeate the residence, visible from every living area and level. Stepping outside, the house transforms. The glass envelope reflects the surrounding trees, a feat achieved by wood-paneled walls painted a deep black, camouflaging the structure within the park's embrace. The house's layout is a dance with nature. The cardinal directions and key views dictate its organization. The majestic Andes rise to the east, while the coastal mountains watch over the west. Northward beckons the inviting pool and barbecue area, and southwards lie the stables and corrals, integral parts of their life. The ground floor houses the communal areas, kitchen, and the master suite, a haven for the homeowners. Upstairs, a haven for guests awaits. 2 adult bedrooms with a shared bathroom on one end and a similar arrangement for the children reside on the other. At the heart of the residence lies a double-height patio, a vibrant core flooding the interior with natural light. This central space acts as a natural divider, separating the upstairs hall and bedrooms from the main living room below. A bridge gracefully connects the upper floor bedrooms, fostering a sense of connection and offering three-dimensional views across the park and house. Each guest bedroom enjoys a private balcony, extending the living space and offering a secluded retreat within the embrace of the park. The extensive use of glass, the central courtyard, and the multi-level, balconied circulations all combine to create a symphony of visual and physical connections.